Nzambi Matee is pretty proud of how tough her bricks are. And the secret, the Kenyan entrepreneur says, is that they are not made of concrete, but recycled plastic.
Hi, my name is Nzambi Matee, founder of Jijenge Makers Limited. Here in Jijenge, we make alternative building products, and our first product line are pavers. Our product is almost 5 to 7 times stronger than the concrete, and this is because of the basic material structure of the brick itself. Our pavers, because they're made out of recycled plastic, and plastic is polymerous in nature, or rather it's thread-like. So therefore it doesn't have a lot of pocket holes, therefore making it less brittle compared to concrete. So that's why it doesn't break very easily.
Her factory in the capital Nairobi produces 1,500 pavers a day out of waste plastic, some of which she gets for free from packaging factories. Kenya's Ministry of Environment and Forestry says Kenya produces 600,000 tonnes of plastic bottles annually, of which 400,000 tonnes are used locally and only 9% is recycled. Matee said she didn't want to wait on the government to solve the problem.
I was tired of being in the sidelines. You're just there waiting for someone to sort the plastic issue. You're just waiting for the government or the municipality or just someone else other than yourself. So that was the first driver. And then the other thing was, it was almost out of sheer curiosity to see, can this happen? Because I had seen it happening in different parts of the world, and I knew it could be replicated here in Kenya.
The materials engineer said she was also curious about the challenge. Having worked out how to make one brick, she then designed the machines so that they could be mass-produced.
We knew how to make one brick. So we needed to know, if we had to bring this product to the market, we needed to know how to make 1,000 or 5,000, because one project cannot be just one brick. So after figuring out how to make one brick, now the next step was how to make 1,000. Making 1,000, we need machines. So essentially, it got like around
Matee, who founded Jijenge Makers in 2017, is now eyeing expansion, hoping to produce up to 4,500 bricks in a day and, in doing so, recycle up to 60 tonnes of plastic a year. She says they expect to be breaking even by the end of this year, and she's confident the business is on the path to success.
It's affordable because we are in Kenya, and Kenya and in the larger part of Africa being a mass market, of course you have to be not only sustainable but also affordable, and hence the triple threat: stronger, lighter and affordable.